ça m'a toujours dit que tout le gouvernement américain va changer. Parce que Donald Trump sont nationalistes, Donald Trump sont patriotes, ils gestionnaient mes pays, Donald Trump a fait travail pays. Nous-mêmes, nous supposons montrer que nous sommes patriotes, nous supposons que nous sommes nationalistes et que pour nous faire travail pays par nous.
So, do you think you have something in common with Donald Trump?
Of course, yes. Of course. Et il s'est... pendant que par Trump là,
Can you tell me in English? No, stop. Why, Jimmy, why do you laugh when I ask you, do you feel a little bit similar to Donald Trump?
I think it's better for me to answer in Creole.
I know, but my Creole is non-existent.
No, you will translate it after.
I know, but hang on a second. So, see if I have this right.
I think we have something in common.
You and Trump.
Yeah, and during his campaign, he said, "We need to drain the swamp."
We need to drain the swamp.
That's the same thing I want to do in Haiti.
So are you the Trump of Haiti?
Maybe yes.
I heard your guys saying that. The young guys when we were waiting to see
Yeah,
you.
maybe yes.
So
Yeah,
is he a hero for you?
I think so.